Okay, pinning a post isn't all that hard. Let's say I wanted to pin this one. At the end of each post, no matter where it is, there's this link sign. If you click it right there, it's going to refresh the page and give you the exact link address for that post. So the post number are these last 6 digits at the end. You have a page number. You have your thread number is this one, and your forum number is this one. So you've got these 6-digit numbers. It goes forum, thread, post. And if you go to your spell book, and honestly, I'm not even sure which one does this. I should have looked it up before. Which one? Dang it. Let's just do this over. Is it Clypeus? Nope. Okay, in your spell book, the very first spell, this Aciculus, it's a fill in the blank. You have forum ID, thread ID, and post ID. But where do you find that? So if you're in a thread, any thread, and you want to pick a post that you want to make the pinned post. So let's say I'm going to pin this one. There's this little link symbol. You click it, and it's going to adjust the page, and the address at the top of the bar is going to change. And there's all of your information. The first 6-digit number is your forum. The second 6-digit number is your thread. And those final 6-digit numbers, oh no, I'm sorry, the 7-digit number is the actual post itself. And then you just go back to that spell and you just fill in the blank with those three numbers, and ta-da, you're good to go. So forum ID, first set, thread ID, second set, post ID, third set. Easy peasy.